Good morning. I am not in the greatest of moods, but it's a Friday and I decided to start this vlog. I don't know what's gonna happen this week or this weekend, but I do have something exciting to share with you guys. I got an opportunity to MC quite a big event. It's the biggest event that I've ever MC'd. And I got the letter yesterday, I got the offer yesterday, and I'm very, very, very happy. Am I nervous? Super nervous. But today, I'm gonna just go find out more about what it's about, like what is expected of me rather, and then also find out just about the event in general. But I'm very, very excited. I'm very honored and I'm so grateful to God because it would never have happened, it would never have been possible without him. So it's my very, very first, like it's my biggest MCing gig yet. And I'm just really excited. But yeah, preparations have to start because the event is next week. So I'm a little bit nervous because I have to get an outfit, I have to get my hair done, I have to get my nails done, I have to organize makeup, all of that stuff. And there's a high possibility that I'm going to be alone on the day, as in like my family might not be available to assist me and stuff. So it's gonna be quite something, but I'm excited regardless. So yay. Also this weekend my bestie's coming to town, so I'm very excited that she'll be in town. So yeah, I just wanted to say hello and I'm vlogging. Yeah, so guys, there's this thing that I do where I feel the need to support the hustle. It's young people, né? And so today, some girl, please ignore the noises that you hear. Today, some girl came to my office and sold me these car air fresheners. And I got two because one for my mom, one for my dad. And so, yeah. I literally just, like, it was just like yesterday, when she mentioned that she was going to bring them, I didn't think she actually would, you know. So everything was happening so fast and so quickly that I kind of just said yes to everything and anything, and I totally forgot about it. So when she shows up to my office today, I'm like, oh hi, I had even totally forgotten. And then she comes with these things, and because I'm a woman of my word, and whenever I tell someone that I'll do something, I make sure that I follow through with it, and I don't like to disappoint people. So it was an impulsive buy, but yeah, she sold these to me for 50 pula each, and that's, I guess now that's that on that. So yeah, one thing about me, I will support a small business, especially a young person who I see is just like hustling, you know. It doesn't hurt to just at least once, you know. So yeah, I thought about it afterwards, like after she left. I'm like, I should have just gotten one, but it's okay, it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, I actually want to go up. I want to go up to go and check in with some people to just catch up on something. Yeah, I'll probably come back and see what to do. It's a Friday. My sister's not around. It's so sad. Like, if she was here, I would know that I have like plans after work, but now like I don't have any because there's no one that I can like hang out with, you know. So ish, it's gonna be going home. How sad. How sad. But anyway, let me finish my tea and then go do what I have to do. I just wanted to say hello. We're vlogging. Am I not annoyed? I want to go home. I do want to go home. But anyway, like I was saying, the delivery guy was being so weird. He was talking about how he had my number or something, or he texted me or whatever. Like, when did you? I don't even know you. Like, I'm sitting here just like, I don't even know you. Like, I know I'm not that good with like names and such, but I remember faces, and if a face is familiar, I will be able to remember, you know. But I don't even know him, and it was just kind of, it made me very uncomfortable, and I wasn't very happy about it. Yeah, so now I'm just in a very mood because of that, and yeah. But let me drink my mistake because I don't know, it tastes, I just don't like it. It's not terrible, but I just don't like it. I don't really like it, but at least now I know not to get it. It's so dark. Sheesh. Let me see if I can get better lighting this side. Is it better? No. I have to hold it up. Jeez. But yeah, like I was saying, it's not bad, but it's not nice. I won't get it again. Yeah, I won't get it again. I don't like the taste. It has like a weird, I don't even know how to describe the taste, but I just don't like it. And yeah, that's just me. It's now 2 o'clock, and well, I need to undo my hair, but I don't know when I'm going to. Hey guys, I'm home, and I actually have a haul. Just do that. That's better. So I'm just getting home, and let's see how these look. They are supposed to be small and extra small centimeters, so we shall see. Okay, so we have this. It's a dress. Looks cute. I feel like it might be I don't know, we'll have to see it on. Let's see. It looks cute. What's this? Oh, and then this is, it's a young coat. I will put pictures so that you guys can see what they actually look like. This is cute. I don't know if it comes with a belt, but I'll check. Here's the belt. Cool. And then there's this top, just a shirt, black and white shirt. But okay. Okay, I wasn't expecting this one to be this material. So I'm a little bit skeptical because winter is over. And this is a heavy dress. It's supposed to be an extra small. It has a cute little thingy detail here. It's cute though, like, it's just really heavy. No, it's really heavy. I think it will look really cute on me. What do you think? We'll see. Well, we'll see how they look. And yeah, so I'm going to just take it easy for the rest of the day, and I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Or the next time, yeah, I think I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And yeah. So all of a sudden, your girl was just having mad anxiety, and I don't know where it was stemming from, but I was in my head a lot, and yeah, it was quite a tough night.
With meekness, attitude and say, Lord, I surrender before you. Not the weakness of meekness, I submit unto you, and I receive the word.
Hi guys. Just leaving church. What is my earring doing? I'm going home and I'm going to rest. Bought some strawberries. I'm very excited because I do love strawberries. So yeah. Say hello.
Hi guys. I am driving this lady back home. I drove it this morning, so my job is actually to pick and drop. So say thank you to me, please.
Thank you. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. I hope you really like everything, and if not, there's always next week. So hi, you're living your best life, ne? You're living your best life, friend. Huh? Say. What's up? You're legit living your best life, Ntase. So. Hey guys, so actually wasn't planning to be vlogging today because the vlog was supposed to have ended yesterday, but we're gonna end the vlog today and then we're gonna start another one. But yeah, it is Monday morning and I'm just making my hot chocolate. It's actually very. I've been here and I have not had my breakfast, so I'm only getting a chance to do that now. Because what would a mumsy vlog be without food, right? Yeah. It's my pleasure today. Wow, this was doused these in sauce. But anywho. Here I am. I'm having my breakfast and then I'm going to quickly do what I need to do. And yeah. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I hope you guys are managed to go to church and all that good stuff. I'm actually just going to end the vlog here so that it's not too long, and now that we'll start a new vlog. And that vlog, yeah, the next vlog will be my preparations for Friday. I'm very excited, and I'm just trying to, like, prepare and get things finalized so that I'm sure that things are going to be okay. I don't have an outfit. I have not done my hair. I have not done my nails. I have not confirmed makeup. But everything will come together. Last night I was praying about it, and I was actually just like, Lord, thank you that everything's going to go well. Everything's going to come together, and I'm going to look amazing. I'm going to do amazing. Lead me, guide me, let's do this thing. So it's a bit honestly, and yeah. So this is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know how you're doing, and let me know let me know what you are getting up to, how your weekend was. Let's just have a conversation. Let's just chat and engage. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. Continue to just come back for more, and share this video with everyone and anyone that you know, and let them know that we hang out here every now and then. And yeah, good vibes have. So bye guys, I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces. I'm grateful. I'm just grateful. I had a very bad week, but I'm glad that it ended. It has ended the way it did, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm grateful to God, and I'm grateful to the Arts and Culture Department for trusting me and giving me an opportunity to do what I love. And yeah, so I'm happy and I'm grateful.